Today we're exploring the BenQ Professional 1080p Full HD Network Business Projector. This device is engineered for office environments, classrooms, or any professional space where performance and reliability are key. It's not about home theater effects. It's about delivering clear, consistent, and professional visuals. Right out of the box, the design impresses with simplicity and functionality. The clean lines, matte finish, and compact form factor make it easy to integrate into any room. It's sturdy enough for frequent use without being bulky, and it feels built to last. Full HD 1080p resolution is the star here. Text on slides is razor sharp, charts are easy to read, and videos appear smooth and natural. The brightness level is sufficient for rooms with ambient light, and thanks to a solid contrast ratio, colors are vivid without oversaturation. Presentations look crisp, professional, and easy to follow. Connectivity is where this projector really stands out. You have HDMI, VGA, and network-enabled options, allowing remote management from your computer or centralized system. Wireless screen mirroring adds flexibility, letting users present without plugging in a single cable. This makes it perfect for collaborative workspaces or classrooms where multiple devices need access. Setup is straightforward and intuitive. The menu system is clean and simple to navigate. Keystone correction and lens shift capabilities allow precise image alignment without moving the projector, saving time and effort in meetings. Once set, the image stays perfectly rectangular, regardless of placement. Lamp life is another advantage. Designed for extended use, the projector offers thousands of hours before a replacement is needed. Energy-saving modes help reduce both power consumption and fan noise, creating a comfortable environment without compromising brightness. Performance during presentations is smooth. Slide transitions, animations, and even short videos play without noticeable lag or blur. Built-in audio is adequate for smaller rooms, but external speakers are recommended for larger spaces or richer sound. The fan remains quiet, keeping the focus on the presentation rather than background noise. This projector balances efficiency, durability, and professional-grade performance. It's tailored for offices, classrooms, and corporate environments where reliability is critical. Clear visuals, flexible connectivity, and extended usage capabilities make it a dependable choice for any setting. Whether it's for a daily conference, a class lecture, or a critical presentation, this projector performs consistently and professionally. Its combination of sharp full HD resolution, network management features, and intuitive setup ensures smooth operation. For anyone seeking a reliable solution for professional presentations, this projector delivers. For purchasing, the link is included in the description below. Enhance your office, classroom, or meeting space with the BenQ Professional 1080p Full HD Network Business Projector and experience clear, consistent, and professional visuals every time.